Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic, how to convert 378 250 into 3.78 directly. It is very simple. You have to write value here and divide by 100,000. Why 100,000? If the value have how many digits? 6 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you have to divide by 6 digit. In this 100,000 had 6 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you divide 6 digits, if you divide value by 6 digits, then you get result equal to this divided by this, 3.78. And another understanding is, first one is unit, then 10, then 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In 100,000 have 6 digits. Value also has 6 digits. Therefore, we type here 100,000. If here value is 592,650, we divide by 100,000. Use formula. We just copy and paste. 5.92. 926, therefore 93. If we type here 592,410, 5.92, we just copy and paste. The another option is, you just copy this value and paste here and copy 100,000. Type here 5949275068093. If we have the complete data, we have to directly divide into decimal. How to do it? We just copy 100,000, select the sales, right click, paste special, and in operation tab click on divide, select OK, and here select this comma style. Here you see 3.78, 493, 681, 6.81. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any question, you may please ask. Thank you so much.